video is just going to be a makeup look on this makeup look that I'm sporting right here, and also it includes a hair tutorial. Also, this video does include a little giveaway. I bought 2 of these glitters which I've used in this tutorial, and I think these kind of things are just perfect for the festival season. So if you do want to win this, just comment down below your Instagram, obviously subscribe to my channel and follow me over there, and I will just DM you if you've won this. So stay tuned and let's just get on into the video. I'm going to start with my eyes and eyebrows and like that area. So to prime my eyelids, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. Oh, I've not wet my beauty blender. I'm trying to make this look like as festival easy to do as possible, if that makes sense. I'm just going to take a little Real Techniques brush and buff that all in to my eyelid. If you don't know by now, taking my good old RCMA no colour powder afterwards to set it. And powder is gonna be essential at a festival, because if you're at a nice festival where it's warm, don't know about England, because last year when I went to a festival it was freezing the whole time. Actually, that's a lie, it was alright. Eyelids are primed and ready to go. I'm going to use my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette because I've not used it in ages. I'm going to take a really fluffy brush and take Peaches and Cream and Georgia, and I'm going to go really high up in my crease and like smoke it all the way out. I really want to do like the glitter in my hair, but I'm going out tonight. I feel like I'll probably just, the glitter will never come out. Right, next I'm going to go into Puree, but still with the same fluffy brush, because let's be honest, you're going to want to take as little as possible when you're going to a festival. I'm like concentrating this colour on the inner and mainly outer, but like doing it here and then like blending it in the middle. So kind of leaving a space like on the centre of my eyelid. And I think that's what I'm going to do, just kind of build up colours to do that, to do like a nice little halo eye. Then I'm going to take Candied Peach, which is like basically in the centre of the palette. It's like a salmony pink, but it's really gorgeous. And literally in the inner and outer, and then blending it through. I'm going to keep it like that. I'm going to take a flat brush and put Just Peachy on the centre of my eyelid. I'm just going to put that like on the centre, and it's just going to create like a little pop. So this is how it's looking so far. This is the NYX glitter in 02. This is Face and Body glitter and 02, and I believe it was on ASOS. Like, I bought stuff from ASOS. It's just a really nice rosy pink glitter. You can't even see it. So I'll have to put it on my eyes to show you, which is what I was going to do anyway. My NYX glitter primer is already out because I use this whenever I'm doing a glittery look. This guy is like an essential for glitter. And then literally the very centre, because I don't want too much glitter on the top of my lid, I'm going to put it underneath, I think. And then go glitter crazy everywhere else, basically. And then I'm going to take a flat brush with the glitter on and just stamp it there. And just have it like little pop. Now I'm getting glitter everywhere, but that's good because I did not do foundation first, so it's fine. I'm going to take a wipe now and get rid of the glitter underneath my eye, if I can, because glitter just does not budge once it's stuck to your face. I'll be back in about 1,000 years. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and if you're at a festival, you want them to last. I'm going to use my Anastasia Dip Brow in Taupe. This is just my favourite eyebrow product. I'm going to carve out my eyebrows. I'm just going to take my spoolie that's on the end of my Precisely My Brow from Benefit, brush up and down to like kind of distribute pomade through my eyebrows. And I'm just taking the Precisely My Brow to do the front here. Sorry that you can like see the mirror in my shot, I will move it out in a second. I just need to get up close and personal with my face to do this bit. So that is my eyebrows done. I wish I could be precise about my brows, but just not. I don't care, they don't look similar. So next, I'm going to do my face. Gonna take my good old Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is like my #1 product. As well at a festival, if you're going to be really warm, you're going to want that. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty foundation just because it will match how dark my tan is, because this foundation does oxidize a little bit. Which I'm not mad at, but I feel like you just need to know that. One thing I would take into consideration if you are going to be at a festival and outside all day is wear SPF. I have no idea how damaging the sun is to our skin. SPF is your best friend. I'm going to try using my Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes. I don't like it under my eyes, I'll be honest. I love it for spot concealing and I love it for brightening, but under my eyes it is heavy. Wait, no. I nearly forgot. One thing that I'm going to use before I put my concealer is my NYX Dark Eye Under Eye Corrector, like a salmon-y concealer. And if you're at a festival, been out late partying in those rave tents, I was one of those sad people who just went to sleep, because that's me. The normal person who goes to a festival will be up late partying. So this is an essential. You can see that's ridiculously covered my bags. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape now. It's just really thick for me, so this is a lot. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to bake my concealer, and you know, with the good old RCMA no colour powder. And I'm getting it everywhere. Great. This is just, it's just my favourite. Don't know why, I love it. I probably should use a bronzer that I've used before, but I really want to try out the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. It says it's waterproof. It's got SPF in it. Never heard of a bronzer having SPF. And I bought it the other day, and I really want to try it out. I'm liking that a lot. But I want to be bronzed and glowy. Oh, it's looking a little bit patchy on my forehead, but I think that's the concealer, not the bronzer. I'm liking it. It's very natural. I mean, it's called natural bronzer. I'm going to contour my nose now that I've dusted all the bake off it. So I'm going to take my Kevyn Aucoin, and this is so expensive. I would use something better, but honestly, this is just the coolest toned thing I have, and it's great. I like to draw the line quite defined to start with, and then blend it out afterwards. And I'm just going to blend it out with one of those straight brushes. I am one of those people who has to blend out their nose contour quite a bit, otherwise I really hate how fake looking it can be. I'm going to take just like a normal brush, and I'm going to go back into my Sweet Peach palette, and just with some pink eyeshadow, probably a mix of Georgia and Candied Peach, I'm going to go underneath my eyes here, just very lightly, very softly, just so the glitter that I'm going to put here has something to sit on basically. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter primer and like press it up in my lash line. I'm going to take a really small little brush and do this really carefully because of my foundation. One thing I would say is be careful of your lower lashes. They catch the glitter and make it fall down on your face. I'm going to take my eyelash curlers and just curl my lashes up to the high heavens. So I've curled my lashes slightly, not very well. And I'm going to take my Benefit. Where are you? I'm going to take my Benefit bag. Gonna take my Benefit bag. I'm going to take my Benefit Bad Girl Bang. Wow. Mascara. Like, I notice when I'm not using this mascara now. I'm obsessed. I actually am obsessed. So I'm going to do my lips next and then finish off the rest of the look. I'm going to use Skimpy by Colourpop lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with Milkshake liquid lipstick by Anastasia, and this is a really, really light pinky nude, but it's not like nude, it is pink. I feel like it will just tie everything in. Oh great, this needs sharpening. Now this is just the perfect nude lip liner, I love it. I've not used it in so long and I don't know why. And now I'm going to take Milkshake by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a really nice pink. Actually, it's more of a peachy nude. Obviously, because everything else is going to be crazy, I don't want to go too ham. So, I am going to go in with like a normal highlighter first. I'm going to put the Fenty Beauty in Hustler Baby on my cheeks. It's a beautiful highlight. So this is the Eco Stardust biodegradable glitter in Sterling, and I accidentally bought two. So maybe I might do it. If you comment down below with your like Instagram username, and obviously subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, I could just give away the other glitter for you, which, I mean, it's a lovely glitter, but I'm just never going to use it. It's just this other glitter which I've got here, and obviously I've got this other one here, and I accidentally bought two, so why not? If no one comments on it, I'm going to keep this because it's a great glitter. I don't know, why not? On just the high points and like round in a C, I'm gonna pop the glitter primer, pop that on my face. I actually love this, it's so cool. And I love like the little bits of glitter as well, the fact that it's actually got smaller chunks and bigger chunks. It's not just like all the same. This glitter is going to go everywhere. Now for the fun bit. I mean, I said this was fun, but okay, you can see my hair is a mess. But everybody's hair is a mess at festivals, like it just is. I decided not to wash my hair because I thought this would make the look better. Putting in some dry Batiste shampoo, I'm just going to brush through my hair to start with. What I'm going to do is I'm going to section off the top part of my hair and just throw it forward, I don't know, keep it there so that I can just tie it down the bottom. So I'm just tying up the bottom section of my hair. So now I've got all this basically to play with, and it just means that I'm not going to be pulling stuff from like the wrong section of my hair, and I'm going to section it down the middle again, and with a clip I'm just going to pop this bit out of the way. I'm literally just going to start from the centre, do a French braid. A French braid is just a normal plait, but you start at the very top section, say for example, and you take 3 strands of hair, but each time you pull one over you pick up a little bit more hair basically. Pretty sure most people know how to do a French braid. Honestly, just take it slow and do it in a mirror, or if you do have someone around, get them to do it for you. Now I'm gonna braid until I've basically got all the hair in that section. I've got these clear elastic bobbles, which I'm just going to take one and tie it. If I mess up, basically I have not lost the braid and leaving like that, which looks a bit silly for now. I'm going to again take my Tangle Teaser and just give that a little brush. Now for one of my favourite things that I bought from ASOS. These are literally so cute. They're like little donuts and they're to make space buns. I'm going to start not at the very bottom of my hair because the hair at the bottom is very fine. Spread out my hair across all of it. I don't know, and then pull it through. Keep twisting it round so all the hair goes through. All the way down till you got a space bun. So I'm just going to pull the hair round so that all of it is covered, and I didn't get bobby pins, so be right back. So from the back I'm literally just going to take some of the hair and push it through the kind of dome, but at the bottom just so it pushes the like little space bun down. You can't even see it really, but it's just a little something going into little space bun. And then I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. This one's obviously gone a lot better than this guy, but it's fine, they're meant to be a little bit messy. I don't know if this is an awful idea. I think it's an awful idea because I am meant to be going out tonight, but these roots are a bit greasy. Now, I bought one in the shade Unicorn of this glitter. I'm just going to take a little bit, basically in the middle. I mean, you could even use water. I don't know. Vaseline would be something that you'd probably have at a festival. You don't really need to take a brush. I'm going to. I'm just going to paint my roots to be glitter. I might just do this. Ooh. Basically, your roots now look like a fairy's unicorn's pooped over it. God, I'm gonna have glitter everywhere for ages now. And then take glittery head. I sufficiently have glitter everywhere now. This is my finished festival makeup look. This video is a little bit glitter crazy. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give it a thumbs up. And it would really, really, really mean the world to me if you did that. And thank you so much, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!